Wagwan, beautiful people. I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Now for today's video, it will be all about this kinky straight bob wig. And guys, I am super excited for this wig because it is freaking it has been a while since I have worn a bob wig, I believe. I don't know, I just feel brand new wearing this wig. So this wig is from Wowafrican.com, and I'm gonna give you guys like the full details, the step-by-step tutorial on this unit, how I installed it. But I just wanted to like tell you guys a little bit about this wig before we get into the video. So this wig, straight out of the package, it came pre-plucked. The knots already bleached for you, so I literally had to do little work to install this wig. All I had to do was use the Got2b freezing spray, and that was it. I didn't have to use any bleach. I didn't have to mix anything to bleach the knots. And I know that's a problem for a lot of people, especially when you're new to wearing wigs or you're just not that great at customizing a lace frontal. So this unit came done for you. All you had to do was cut off the extra lace and just glue it down. So yeah, so it came pre-plucked, the knots already bleached, and I didn't have to pluck the lace at all. All I had to do was cut it and do a little soup to the doop. If you wish to, you don't have to do all of that, but I did because I'm extra and I like the little side adult hairs on the front, but you don't have to. So yeah, so this wig is in 14 inches and the texture feels amazing. It feels like if your natural hair was blown out and straightened. So it has that yucky type of kinky texture, and it is in 150% density, so the wig is full. Okay, 150% density is perfect fullness for a bob wig like this, especially since it's already kinky texture, so it already has that like thick effect already. So it has that thing going on for it. So I naturally have a hump in the back, but the wig sits nicely for the most part, and it comes with an adjustable strap inside the wig, so you could like tighten it or loosen it however suits you or is comfortable for you. I really love this wig, and yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now and let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, jumping straight into the video. As I said, this unit is from Wowafrican.com, and this is how the hair is looking straight out of the package. This is a kinky textured bob wig. It is in 14 inches and 150% density. Now the color is a natural color, so it's not exactly 1B. It looks more like a number 2 in my opinion. It comes with the adjustable straps already inside the wig, and then the actual straps inside the wig. So this is how the lace is looking. As I said, you do not need to pluck this wig if you are a beginner wig wearer. Like the knots already bleached, the frontal is already plucked for you, so basically all you have to do is just style the hair. So I'm going to flat iron this hair, and what I use at the top of my wigs is this hair wax, and basically this helps with the flyaway, and also it makes the roots lay flatter when I flat iron the hair. So I like to just rub it on the very front of the frontal to make the hair lay flat, and also, as I said, to help with the flyaway. So it makes the hair stay in place, and it gives a better result in my opinion when I flat iron. So you're gonna see the difference between the side that is flat iron and the side that isn't. So I'm just gonna let you guys see the results of flat ironing the hair. Okay guys, now after I finished flat ironing the hair, this is how it's looking, and the bob is not stiff wear. Even though it's yucky texture, I love how movable the hair is. So I'm putting on the wig just to see how the frontal is looking before I tack it down, or install it rather. And I don't know, I naturally have a hump back in my hair, or hair lining, not hair lining, what's that called, in the back of my head. I naturally have a hump no matter what style I do. So my wigs don't normally like lay flat because I don't have a flat head back. So just ignore my hump, girl, like it's natural. I'm gonna leave it alone. So basically I'm trying to make the parting a little bit wider. So what I do is I plucked, or rather dragged out some of the hair in the middle. You can use a tweezer and pluck it if you wish to, but it was just easier to just pull the hair out. So for this installation, I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, so I won't be doing my typical installation. I'm doing the faster method, a lazy girl method. So I remove the excess lace and make sure that I don't cut too close to the actual hair lining, because then it will be like super wig like, so you don't want that. Then I'm going to be using my Got To Be freezing spray instead of like a stronghold glue, because I like to take my wig off at night, so I don't use a stronghold glue. I prefer Got To Be freezing spray because it holds my hair, the wig on my head, for the entire day, and it's super easy to remove at night by just using water. So after I spray the Got To Be freezing spray directly on the lace, I tie it down with a molding wrap. Then I'm going to use a blow dryer to allow the lace to dry before I move on to the next step of making sure that the frontal looks as natural as possible, and to also style it. Now for a lot of people, you can just leave the hair as is. Some people like the slick back look. I like the extra swoop to the dupe type of thing that goes on in the front. A lot of people don't, but I like that. So you could skip this step, or if you want to do like you can see how I do it. So I use the pump it up spritz, and this makes the hair stay laid in the front all day. So instead of mousse, I'm using that, and then I just take the edge brush to brush back the hair and then fix the swoop to the dupe, and I use the spritz to make that lay the little side swoop to the dupes to lay flat. And then I tie down the hair with the molding wrap again and let it dry while I do my makeup. Then for the final touches, I just re-flat iron the hair where it needs to be flat ironed, and that is about it. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. All the details and link will be down in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn_that's_chev. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.